facts, and tips. For getting more knowledge, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. Hi winners! Banana is a fruit that is soft, pulpy, flesh, enclosed in a yellow rind. Today we will discuss about the benefits of banana. Number 1 is rich in nutrients. Banana are very rich in nutrients. It has potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, fiber. All are essential for good health. Number 2 is improve blood sugar level. Banana are rich in soluble fiber and has resistant starch. These two fibers help to moderate sugar level after meal. Number 3 is support digestive health. Banana has probiotics and pectin. Probiotics help in escape digestion and pectin prevents constipation. Number 4 is encourage weight loss. Banana has fewer calories, just over 100, and also fiber in it helps in reduce weight and promote weight loss. Number 5 is improve heart health. Banana are rich in potassium and magnesium. It helps to lower the blood pressure. Number 6 is full of antioxidants. Banana have flavonoids, amines, and many other antioxidants that reduce risk of heart health and prevent oxidative damage. Number 7 is feel fuller. Bananas are low in calories and high fiber content helps you to feel fuller for longer period of time. Number 8 is improve insulin sensitivity. Resistance starch in banana improve insulin sensitivity. Banana also reduces sugar level spike. Number 9 is improve kidney health. Banana have potassium helps to improve kidney function. Potassium also essential for proper functioning of kidneys. Number 10 is sport exercise recovery. Banana has easily digested carbohydrates, perfect food for athletes. Also has potassium and magnesium act as an electrolyte. For supporting our effort, please subscribe, like, share and comments on our channel.